Hey everyone, I'm Tanuja and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Tanu. So in this video, I'm gonna discuss about a very common problem that most of the people face this problem, and even I face these difficulties and face this problem that how I can become confident while speaking English. I don't feel confident while speaking to someone else. So I think it's a problem of many people. They struggle with this, and the main reason is self-doubt and fear of making mistakes. So in this video, I'll share you some tips or some strategies that you should follow to avoid this kind of things, and you have to build up your confidence. So I'm just sharing my personal experience that when I was in college, so I faced a lot of difficulties because of this confidence. Even I was not getting the confidence while speaking to someone else. And yeah, in even now also in some point of time I don't feel confident, but yeah, I'm gradually improving and working on my weaknesses. So I'll share you some tips, so definitely you should follow, and you can improve your confidence level. So let's get into the video. So confidence is a key factor in effective English communication, and many English learners struggle with self-doubt and fear of making mistakes when speaking English. But however, you should understand these things like it's a gradual process, and confidence can be built up over time. You have to give time, and definitely you have to practice and work on your weakness. These things like you have to overcome this fear and you have to build up your confidence. In this video, I'll share some strategies that will help you to feel more self-assured and confident while speaking English. Practice regularly. So one of the most effective ways to become confident is practice regularly with consistency. So yeah, definitely if you will practice daily, then definitely you can overcome this fearness and you can build up your confidence. So you have to speak regularly. So this is the first task you have to do. And second one is that embrace mistakes. So it's a natural to make mistakes, and every mistake is a step towards improvement. So you have to think like this. If you are doing any kind of mistakes, so there is no problem. You have to focus on speaking part. And if you are doing any kind of mistake, so that is okay. You are learning, and any of the person who is learning any new language, so they are also doing the mistakes in the beginning. So that is completely okay. You don't have to worry about this thing. You have to work on your mistakes. So you don't have to give any kind of exam that if you are doing any kind of mistake, so your marks will be cut. So it's not a problem. If you are doing any kind of mistakes while conversing with the people, so that is completely okay. No one gonna ask you that you are doing this kind of mistakes, you are saying these things wrong. The third one is expand your vocabulary. So yeah, definitely if you have a bunch of vocabulary, so you can boost your confidence as well, because sometimes it happens we don't get the confidence because at the same time we don't get the proper word. So that time we lack our confidence and we are completely goes in a blank side, like what I have to say. So this is the main thing. If you are working on this thing and you are expanding your vocabulary, so it will boost your confidence. Fourth one is set realistic goals. So it's a very important strategy that you have to follow. What you have to do, you have to set your goals. Break your goals in a manageable task, I can say. Like for example, you can do these things. Like for example, today I want to listen one podcast for 15 to 20 minutes, and tomorrow I'm going to speak for 15 to 20 minutes. And you can set your goals according to you, whatever the things you can do on the regular basis. So you can set your goals and you can work on those tasks. And if you are working on those tasks without any delay or without skipping, so definitely you can boost your confidence. Fifth one is record yourself. So recording your voice is a powerful tool for speaking English, I can say. If you are speaking something and you are speaking with yourself, so you can record your voice and you can listen it again, and you can find out the areas where you need improvements. So you can do these things, record yourself and then listen it again and find out your mistakes and work on those things. If you are lacking in a grammar thing, then definitely you have to work on those things. If you are if you are not able to use the some fancy words and some different professional words, so you should try to use those words while speaking. So you can do this thing. And sixth one is positive self talks. So it's very good thing that what you have to do, you have to replace your negative thoughts with the positive thoughts. Sometimes it's our own thinking, like we demotivate ourselves if we are talking with a person who is speaking very well English and who are very confident or looking fluent in English, so we demotivate ourselves, like we can't speak, or we don't even try to speak. So that is the main problem. We feel self doubt. So you have to do these things. You have to remove these thoughts and you have to replace these negative thoughts into positive thoughts that you can do and you can be better speaker. So you have to do this thing. And seventh one is that join English speaking group. So yeah, we are using so many social medias applications, and we all have smartphones as well. So you can find out some of the English speaking groups in WhatsApp and wherever you can find, like in Telegram. So you have to try to speak. If you are joining that group, then you have to become an active member and you have to try to speak with the person, different person, and you have to share your views. And if you can find out your partner for speaking, so definitely you have to speak. Then only, and the more you practice, then more confident you will become. Eighth one is engage with English media. So yeah, definitely this is a very important and crucial thing that you have to do, listening. So yeah, definitely you are using this YouTube and WhatsApp and so many social media applications, so where you can listen any of the English material. So definitely you have to listen it, so it will boost your pronunciation and your vocabulary part. So if you know more vocabulary and more professional words, so definitely you can build up your confidence. Ninth one is seek feedback. So whenever you are talking with a person or any kind of native speaker, so definitely you should ask about the feedback. And if they can point out your mistakes, so definitely you should listen what are the mistakes you are doing and you should work on those things. If someone is saying that you have done this kind of mistake, so definitely you should search about this thing and you have to rectify your mistakes, so next time you won't do this kind of same mistakes again and again. So this is also a good thing, that seeking feedback from any of the speaker or anyone with whom you are talking. And last one is celebrate your progress. So whatever things you are achieving, so you should celebrate your, even if you are achieving your short goals and short things, then definitely you should celebrate. Like if you have think like that you have to complete all the tenses, so if you have completed all your tasks, then definitely you should celebrate these things, like yes, you did one thing, you completed those things. So definitely it will help you to build up your confidence. Okay, so at the last, building confidence in a English speaking is a gradual process, and with dedication and practice it's achievable. So everyone makes mistakes while learning any new language. So it's a part of learning process. So you don't have to worry about this thing. First, I will suggest you two things, that please remove this self doubt, like you can't do it. You have to set your mind with positive vibes that you can do it and you can be fluent one day. So definitely you have to work and you have to remove this negative thoughts and replace with positive thoughts that you can do. Fear of making mistakes. So yeah, that is also a main problem. We fear a lot while speaking to other person that if I do any kind of mistake, so people will judge me. So there is no problem if the person is judging you, so let them judge. You have to focus your you have to focus on your journey, and you have to achieve some milestones, so you have to work. So I'm just telling these things because I have faced lot of difficulties and I have faced all these things. Even I can understand why I'm not getting the confidence. So that is the two reasons: self doubt and fear of making mistakes. But now I'm trying to overcome this thing. I'm trying to be positive. So definitely I'm improving, and I hope you will also improve your English. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.